India Institute of Technology and Management, Msme and Torch Fintech. We have completed this project under the guidance of Dr. MVP Chandrasekhar sir, Dean Harris sir, and as Vishnu sir, with resource person Mr. Nanchokra sir. This project mainly focuses on an interactive business intelligence report for sales, customer and profit analysis. And the problem statement is businesses generate huge volumes of large data, but analyzing these raw data set and meaningful insights or extraction is difficult. So decision makers need a clear understanding about the sales data set and revenue, profit, customer behavior to make strategic decisions. And the description is we have done this project as firstly data set is cleaned and transformed. And DAX measures and visualizations are performed for this sales data set by using Power BI for visualizations to make effective decisions. And DAX measures are created for easy interaction with the dashboards. And the remaining slides will be continued by my team members.
My name is Msme. I am from CSE department. This slide is data classification creating. We are building the data set representing the retail business where products are sold to customers across the different categories and regions, and the data set used to project operated by the tracking and platform for data sets industrial learning. The data sets contain following tables. These are nothing but fact tables and dynamic tables. The fact tables have lab sales data that is nothing but sales transaction details. The dynamic tables have product and customer and date data sets. And before creating the dashboards, we are performing these operations that is nothing but removing missing and duplicate values and ensure data collection and types for columns and creating the relationship between tables using Power BI and Excel and putting a star schema data models and creating calculating and measure using DAX. DAX means data analytics expression and explain it dependent on dashboard. This dashboard represents the sales and business performance and executive dashboard. The main is used for quickly understanding the sales and productivity by using interactive visuals and filters. The top 5 cards of the KPI cards. The first card represents the total sales. The total sales are 54.80 billion, and we have total customers are 2,000 customers and 1449 are the total orders, and total profit is the 1.66 million, and the average value is the 37.80 million. This is the line chart. This line chart represents the total sales by month. In the year sales is the January month, and next one is the bar chart and pie chart. These two are represented by total sales by category. We have the categories and clothing and applications and electronics and office supplies. The highest contribution is the clothing category, 12.6 million. This overall filters category and where customer segmentation monthly. These are the used for the dynamically analysis the data sets. Next will be myself is I am from CSE department. This dashboard shows about the customer performance and sales analysis. The four of the KPI plots in the first one is we serve the total 2,000 customers, and the customer lifetime value is at 27.4k, and the average orders per customer is 0.72 per only one customer. For every one customer we have the profit for 828, and this is the bar chart total sales by customer name, and it shows the only one customer wise the analysis. The total sales by month name is customer name. Here this is the status one of here and the customer segment is same. It displays the total sales by customer segment is the dollar chart. In this we have the five segments: consumer, corporate, enterprise, home office, small business. The highest is consumer segment has the 30.36 million, the 24%. The lowest is the 10.60 million is the table view, the total profits and total sales and customer names. The highest one is the Michael Allen is the highest orders placed in the dashboard. Next slide.
So we are going to represent the sales performance analytics. So right here you can see the bar chart and column chart which represents the total quantity of product. Here we represent the each product wise and each product name. According to that, here we can see the jackets are sold about 200. So here we can see the bar chart where we can see the generated revenue. So by the product name generated sales by product name. So it represents the revenue by column wise. So we can see here the jacket model 841 was the highest sold and Owens model 828 was the highest sold. So they both are like similar. Here we can see the chart which was categorized by subcategory. So you can see the accessories, laptops, which are subcategories of each product. So here is the year which was a filter which is going to change the years from the sale and represents the total revenue and everything according to the selected years. So here we can see product wise and we can filter out the overall thing using these filters. So next we can review by review.
Here we come and discussor from CSE department and we represent the profit and the discount analysis dashboard. This dashboard showcases the what discounts impact on the profit. So here we can see the total profit by category, which showcases overall profit of the sales, in which leading category is clothing, which generated most of the profit, and next we have the line chart, which showcases total profit by monthly. Using this, we can easily identify which month or which period of time gets more profit. And next we have the scatter chart. Here we can identify how much discounts gets the most profit and what is the moderate discount. So the sales can get most profits. And here we added 4 filters, which are year, month, product, name, and category, which so the users can see the data dynamically and interactively. Last from here, there we have added a profit loss indicator, which showcases how much profit we are in our loss. And finally, we have a bottom profit by category here, a pie chart, which showcases total profits as seen as the bar chart. Next, my team is for the report.
This is the report one which is taken by the dashboards, and the total sales will be 54.8 million with a strong overall revenue. The customers and orders, we have 2,000 customers and 1,449 orders, and the total profit is 1.66 million, and the average orders is 37.82k. And the top categories is clothing brand, and the lowest categories of supplies and sales and are the lowest, and the monthly sales are stable and around 4 to 5 years. And the top product has accessories and jackets, and the top segments are corporates and consumers. The key customers of a few customers generate a major revenue. The discounts in higher discounts but higher sales but lower profits, and the report is
This is the report 2 about the project. This shows customer lifetime value is 27.40k. This is the strongest average revenue generated per customer, and average orders per customer is 0.72. It indicates moderate customer purchase frequency. And next one is profit per customer is 828.80. It shows a solid profitability per individual customer. And next one is top customer. Top customer is Michael Allen, highest revenue contributor among those customers present in the sales data. And the corporate and consumer segments, largest share of total sales contribution. And next one is profit by category. Clothing leads with similarly 0.36 million profit contribution. And discount versus profit analysis is higher discounts tend to increase sales but reduce margins. And profit trend by month is relatively stable with slight decline toward later month. This is the report. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Where you have calculated your data. How many columns are there in your data set?
7 columns.
Not rows, columns I'm talking about.
Columns only
17 columns. Total means how many are categorical, how many are numerical? Numerical values, how many columns? Text-oriented columns, how many?
Text columns are nearly 90 times.
Remaining are numerical. How many rows are there?
1407, 64.
Visualization for visualization. Total customers are 2,000, right?
Yes.
What that customer segment drop-down will consist of? Yeah, drop-down. So overall we have 5 types of customer segment.
Yes.
So if I select anything, automatically it all will be reached. Now can I share this whatever you have developed? Can I share it with anyone else? What is the procedure we have to follow to share this document?
First one, we open the Power BI. Next one, we have export the data in the
That exporting data is okay. Now once this dashboard has been developed, I want to share it with someone who is there at the remote location.
that one I will mention. First of all, we export the data set, these dashboards. Then we create a PBIX in the format. Then we have create a new folder. Then drag the PBIX into that folder and convert it to the zip folder. Then we easily share this zip folder to anyone. After receiving the other person's zip folder, then extract it and directly import in the Power BI. Automatically, this all dashboards will visible on the Power BI.
What is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI mobile? Power BI desktop and Power BI mobile difference?
Power BI desktop. In Power BI desktop, we will show this dashboards easily like total all the segments in one screen. But in the mobile dashboards, this all aligned in that each one has each row. These segments in this dashboard have total 8 have. In Power BI desktop have automatically shown this 8 will visible at one screen. But in mobile BI, each one has each row, each single row, and it is we don't take it efficiently. Our calculations are efficient because we want to see all the data sets, how it segments, how it arranges, is take as 1 when we scrolling these segments, it is difficult. But in desktop, we have seen this all in one screen.
I will perform any pre-process before binding the data to this widgets.
Different bits. In Power BI, we have tested that each segment is changing or not.
Have you done any pre-processing prior to your binding this data and this Power BI
Data thing.
data very important. What sort of data is important?
In some is having same null values or unknown values or blanks and repeated words and unformatted like names, numbers, and text names.
Now, your project itself nearly 8 numerical columns are there. Now, I needed one 18th column. This 18th column has been derived with the help of the 7 columns. There will be one formula. So, based on the formula, all these 8 columns will be used and new value has been derived. What is the procedure to add the new column and to derive those values?
We have custom column in Power BI. In the custom column, we have the problem. The problem will take, we have some of the dashboards here. This is the taking the custom column, some of the profit plus some of the discounts. That is nothing but just some of the partners are.
Okay, up to what we can done this custom column, you can support any kind of mathematical functionality or it is limited to certain mathematical operations.
So it's the use of mathematical functions and also years, changing the years. And also we have to take the data type, change the data type and use custom columns.
So, for example, you have the month, you have the month column is there. I don't want the month column, so I am introducing the 20th column. The 20th column is quarter. The 20th column is quarter. So, what is the process you will follow to convert the month into quarter? What is the custom formula you are going to write for converting the month into quarter?
We are adding a custom column into the quarters. First of all, add a formula type like sigma after mentioning or inserting the month directly from the Power BI. In the opposite side of this formula, custom column, nearly have some what are the columns names mentioned in the sales data set. We have insert that month and drag it or directly insert. Then we have a formula like these 12 months names are in number format or text format we want. This is number format means we have selected that 12 months and it is categorized into 4 quarters. 3 months into 1 quarter like a Q1. Then automatically we have selected the data type into the text format because we have Q and 1. By taking the text format we have alphabets and numerical value also. It automatically converts.
Now, see, at the top, the total profit by category you have mentioned in millions, right? Now, if I want to convert the unit of measure, right now you are showing under millions. Now, if I want to show it under Indian rupee format, what we have to do further? So I don't want to project in millions, rather than I want to show it whatever the actual number is there, that it has to be shown under Indian rupee format.
We have custom columns in that. That also we have Indian rupees form. We have dollars with Indian rupees to 9 rupees. And we are coming into Indian rupees and also so.
Now, overall, this Power BI supports how many kind of visualizations? How many kind of visualizations it is going to support? So far, you have come up with the pie chart, you have come up with bar chart, you have come up with the scatter plot. Like that, how many visualizations the Power BI will support?
Maybe 30 to 35 visualizations.
Now my next question. Let us assume that in your data itself there is a one column is the state. There is a one column is the state. Now what I want to do is particularly this data
the account is will be given by the company, sir. It is not by using any students. Only company account will give the map visualization.
So that is also possible.
We have already some changes have done in by using map, but it is not supporting.
Next. So next visualization. Yeah. What is this? A circular one.
Donut chart.
Donut chart. So when you are going to use the donut chart, when you are going to use the pie chart.
Pie chart is you can also say, but there is something different because by using donut chart we taking it as percentage also it's showing, but in the pie chart it is showing only the whatever the currency value in million or in which any data format.
Now, why you have mentioned that fact table there? Why not you use some other visualization? There you have taken help of one small table where you are presenting the data. What is the need for it? So why not you go for some other visualization instead of the table? The customer name, order, sales, order, profit. What forms you to use that widget? Why you are using that widget?
Because total customers having the data set, it is mentioned that the total profit easily in the table format. If another visualization will be added, it shows not shows automatically the total values because it shows only single values about the customers.
So almost nearly 15 days you spent the time right on this Power BI. What is your feeling of it? Have you find any? What is your next step? What is your next step? So you learn already. Now you are able to develop the dashboards. Now you can develop it for any organization. So whether if they provide the data in Excel sheet or SQL table, whatever it is, you can develop the charts like this. What is the next step? Have you identified any other visualization tools other than the Power BI?
We learned about only dashboards. This is the first time we know about visualizers and how to import the big data sets.
And how will you be moving forward? Moving forward, what you will do? You will do more number of dashboards and you are going to processing in hours. You are going to study some advanced kind of features under Power BI. Or you are going to do any sort of Power BI global certificate. What is your next plan of action?
Our resource persons give links about the advanced visualizations to improvement of decision made. Easily, you ask that the table like another visualization. We take different countries or names in the map visualization. Each person from which country or which state we use better visualizations.
So very good presentation. I have seen the complete team coordination among you. Everyone has taken the part in the exam, especially you and the guys. But what should happen is it's a collective teamwork. Everyone has to respond. But what I have observed is teamwork has been observed from the teamwork. Very good effort. So don't stop with this. Take the number of data sets that are available in the market, right? You can take a different data set. One time you can work on the Excel spreadsheet. The other time you can work with the Postgre database. The other time you can work with the MySQL database. So when you work with the larger databases, with the larger requirements, if you develop this, the people who are sitting at the top level, they are looking to this only. They will never look into minute details. They are always working on the what? Kind of visualizations. So wherever you go, whatever the domain you are going to take, you cannot with this we cannot have. So always the management people who are sitting at the top level, they need the what? Dashboards. Whatever the domain you are going to take. Whatever the domain you are going to take, and this will be the one. This is required by every top level people. They never look into your reports. They always look for the what? Dashboards. Right? So very good presentation.
But finally, my suggestion is start working with dynamic statistics. So these are all fixed statistics. So when you are working with the Power BI and you use the main usage of Power BI, when we are working with dynamic statistics, because the targets are ongoing, then you have to replicate that in your reports. That is a very common application. Okay.
So if you work with the live data, so the transactions will go on parallelly. At the same time, your dashboard figures also will be changing. Right? So very good attempt. Congratulations. Right. Next tip.